Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as you strengthen, stretch, and smile. We're here today and we're going to learn how to make a kale smoothie that really tastes good. I'm going to teach you all the tips and tricks I've learned to get it naturally sweet without adding a lot of sugar. I'm also going to review my Ninja blender, which I love. So this is Jessi's Fit Kitchen, and the big advice that I'd like to tell you today is the next time you see somebody that you think is in really good shape at the gym, at your bar class, at the yoga studio, instead of asking them what their workout routine is, I want you to ask them what their diet or nutrition plan is. Preferably the word nutrition plan, because diet is a 4-letter word, guys, and I never say it, and I never advise people to go on them. What I do advise is people to change their habits, and the best way to do that is to start one at a time instead of tackling 20 at a time. So basically what I have today, I'm going to go through the ingredients. None of these are sponsored. I am completely in love with my Ninja blender. I really wanted the Vitamix, but we didn't have the money for them. So we looked at other options, and everybody kept telling me to get the Ninja. This was $79 at Costco. The Vitamix was $349. So far, everything I've done with this has been absolutely great. This is my first time making a kale smoothie with this blender. So the kale is going to be the toughest thing. I've got almond milk here. I'm just going to use lines. I'm going to start with 8 ounces of liquid. If you don't want to use almond milk, of course you can use regular dairy. If you use regular dairy, a lot of people these days are off that dairy train. I personally like yogurt sometimes, but I really don't drink milk, and I really never put dairy in my smoothies. I don't need ice cream. Very rare. So the trick with the kale is, first of all, 2 things. One, there's stems, right? You probably know this. If you've been eating it, you probably want to not put those in. I have a Ninja. I probably could, but the reason I say not to put them in is because it doesn't taste good. The thing with kale for me, and I don't eat it raw. I really think it's very bitter, but I know the health benefits of it. So I'm going to put the kale in first because I know that the kale might take a little bit longer blend. So guys, like I said, my previous blender before the Ninja was a Cuisinart, and it did not handle kale. So I guess you can call this like my product review. I'm just making a smoothie today. The next thing I'm taking is berries from, probably should have bought organic, but I just feel like whenever I go to Costco, I just spend $300 on shit I really didn't need. So they say about a cup of berries, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, or like 1 big heaping one. This is powdered peanut butter. Now this is my deal with peanut butter. If I buy peanut butter, I will really just eat all of it in one sitting. So it's one of those things I've learned not to just keep in the house too much, because I'll just wind up eating all of it. I mean, on some level it's better than eating candy, but to know your triggers is good. So I just threw some Chia in there, and I'm gonna throw some sunflowers. I'm doing about a tablespoon of each. So I have this pear here, and the thing with the kale is that it's bitter, right? And I don't want to add any sugar. So I have a really overripe pear, and I think the Ninja is going to handle this really well. It's my first time making a kale smoothie with it, and I'm pretty impressed with the way that the Ninja is cutting through everything. My last blender sucked. So let's see how it handles this. And then not bitter at all. So if you want to kick this up a notch, not for you if you're sensitive to caffeine. You're gonna take cacao nib. Living, I think I got this at Grocery Outlet. If you're in the Bay Area, Grocery Outlet is like, and then because I'm adding the cacao, don't add cacao if you're sensitive to chocolate or caffeine, but this is a great way to replace your coffee in the morning. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of coconut flakes because the cacao can be bitter too. So that's the only like added sugar, and those are unsweetened. Those are from Trader Joe's. You guys, Trader Joe's is my favorite store in the whole world to go food shopping in. I know you can get caught up in the cookies, which I advise you not to. So let's check it out. And there you go, guys. This is really deliciously sweet enough for me. Some people might like it less sweet or more sweet, so you really have to play with it. Obviously, if you wanted it more sweet, you could add a little bit more of this. You could add honey, a ripened banana. But this has been an episode of What the F to Eat. And remember, guys, smoothies are a great way to add all of your fruits and vegetables and just set you up on the right path for your day. I'm a big advisor of if you're looking to change some of your habits, breakfast is usually the easiest one to change, and you'll just find it puts you in that right mindset for today. Thank you so much for tuning in.